Hey, so if Photopea is not loading for you, stuck on a blank screen, or endlessly spinning, yeah, don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to solve it. First thing, check your internet. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi is the most common reason Photopea won't load properly. Next, just refresh the page. So sometimes it's a temporary loading glitch, and a simple refresh fixes it instantly. All right, try another browser. I mean, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox can behave differently, and switching often fixes loading issues. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can sometimes block Photopea from loading correctly. If it still doesn't work, disable extensions like ad blockers. So these can interfere with scripts and stop the editor from loading. Next, open Photopea in incognito mode. This disables extensions and gives you a clean session. And yeah, if you're using a VPN or strict firewall, turn it off. I mean, sometimes Photopea gets blocked by certain networks. So that's how you fix Photopea not loading issues. One of these steps usually gets it working again right away.